art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Doraemon. So first let's get started in the top for the nose, and we're going to start by drawing in a circle. Moving over towards the outside now for the right eye, we're going to curve this line around, back in. And then we're going to do the same thing on the left, drawing that at the exact same size. Moving over towards the inner corner of both eyes, we're going to draw in an oval. And then moving in towards the top, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. Now underneath the nose, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. On both sides, we're going to curve this line around, back in. And then we're going to curve this line up and in towards our eye. For the whiskers, we're going to draw in 3 diagonal lines as we come down. Moving underneath for the mouth, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. For the tongue, we're going to curve this line down on the right, and then replicating that over on the left. Let's move down underneath the head now, and we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And now let's close off the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle, curving this around, bringing that in towards the center above our eyes. And then we're going to replicate this as we move over on the right. So we're going to curve this line back around and in, and we're going to blend that back together on the top. Moving down on the side now, we're going to curve this line around and then in on both sides. Let's draw in the bell. So moving down, we're going to draw in a small curved line. And then dropping down again, let's replicate that, making that nice and thin. On both sides, we're going to connect this with a small curved line. Stepping further in towards the top now, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then moving underneath, let's replicate that. In the center, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly down. For the collar now, on both sides, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards our chin. Now in the center, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, curving this line all the way around and then in on the right. For the pouch in the center, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. And then underneath that, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. In the center, we're going to curve this line up and then back down. On the outside now for the torso, we're going to curve this line around and then down, ending that at the same height. And then now from here on the bottom, just curving this line out. And then we'll do the same as we come out on the left. Now for the feet underneath, we're going to arch this line around and then in. Now let's draw on our left arm. So coming up, we're going to draw in a circle for the hand first. And then moving down, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in. Let's move down on the right-hand side now. So we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes out, coming in, bringing that up. We're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. And then dropping underneath, let's draw in another circle, curving that around and then back in. And that is it. That's how you draw Doraemon. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.